Let's just stand very still here. It's okay. Darling, we'll clean it up, okay? You girls have been awfully whingy today. Look at them playing tag, look. Look. We're out for our afternoon walk. Kelpie's barking at Marley to play. Sky's barking at Kelpie. We've got Brooke over there, Bailey here, Charlie in the bushes. Charlie, come! Oh, Charlie by Manisha. Goodbye, Charlie, this way! Look at the state of Baxton. This is Charlie here.
I think it was Baxton.
Darling, no, it was Cody. Oh my goodness, look at Sky. There's Cody there.
Oh yeah.
They're all playing tug of stick now. Oh. Come on, Billy, this way. Oh my goodness, Baxter, look at you. And look at Charlie.
They're going into another ditch.
So that's them just been swimming in yet another ditch. I don't know if you can see it. I can see them over there. Ender, just a minute, darling. Whoa! Why do you need to come near me and shake when you can shake just by where you get out? Hmm? Well, look at Ender, don't do that, darling, because you're flicking it all over me. I know you're muddy. Come on.
Mommy.
Yes, darling. Darling, how can you possibly be cold? The mud should have dried by now. So all you're doing is whinging, which means you don't want to come out with me anymore. You can't be cold, darling, because the mud will be dried out. I know. Thank goodness we've got down to the river. Hopefully the dogs will end up a bit cleaner because they've been swimming in the muddy ditches. Whoops! Whoop. To keep themselves cool. Hey Charlie, you at home now? Just a minute, Indra. I'm trying to video the dogs, okay? I've asked you before, if Mummy's doing something, wait till she's finished. There's Billy and Brooke there. That's Kelpie in the background. Guinness. Oscar and Baxter. Sky. And where's little Riley's over there with Charlie. Hey, enough, Cody. No.
Mommy, I'm so scared.
So am I, but that's why we come
To that.
Oh, look at Charlie, darling. Go on, Charlie. Go on.
Look at Charlie!
Good boy, Charlie. Oh, well done, Indra. Right, shall we head back then? Charlie, come on, this way, let's go. That's it. Up you get.
It's not working.
It will. Keep trying. You need to get your leg up a wee bit higher.